In this revision, we want to talk about 4.3 about the angle sum of the polygon. And you can see we have a n-side polygon here. Let's count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have 6 side polygons, which means hexagon. And we add all those interior angles here. We call this one inside this polygon. The angles inside this polygon, just at the vertex of that, like this, then we call this one the interior angles. So we have 110 plus y plus 130 142 128 95 is 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Reason angle sum of polygon. Okay, and let's count it together. Because we have 6 lines, so we should have 6 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 angles together. Then we just leave y on the left side of the equation. Then 6 minus 2 gives you 4, which have 4 times 180 gives you 720 degrees, and minus 110, 130, 142, 128, and also 95 degrees. This would be 115 degrees. Okay, that's it. Remember, we have to check all the angles inside the polygon, just like this. Not outside the polygon, not this one, no. Okay, all of them inside the polygon, then all the interior angles of the sum of them must be the angle sum of polygon. Okay, how many sides then give you this? Okay, number of sides 6, then 6 minus 280 degrees. The sum of all the interior angles of the n-side polygon. This example is 6 sides, so we have 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees, and then add them up is the sum, angle sum of polygon reason. Okay, we add them up, then the n minus 2 times 180 degrees gives you angle sum of polygon reason. Okay, number 2. Again, we can say a polygon of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time 5. Okay, and we state that ABC is a straight line. So we have pentagon, 5 sides polygon. And this time we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 interior angles of this pentagon, but we don't know this one. This is the interior angles of this polygon. And because it's a straight line, on this straight line, the partners of this interior angle, which this time is x, it is the exterior angle of this polygon. Okay, so we can find angle ABD first, right? So we have angle ABD plus 126 plus 110 plus 77 plus 127 degrees, give you 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees is an angle sum of polygon. Then count whether we have all the 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we should better have an order. And this time the order like this. Okay, and then we can find angle ABD. Again, 5 minus 2 gives you 3, and 3 times 180 give you 540 degrees. Minus 126, minus 110, 77, 127. So, which is 100 degrees. 100 degrees. So, x plus 100 degrees gives you 180. Because ABC is a straight line, adjacent angles on straight line. So we have x is 80 degrees. Okay. Question number 3. And again, we can state all the information. Check whether it's already marked on the figures. AD is DE, yeah, and AB is a straight line. Then we can find x. Can you see how? Cos. Again, we can think of the logic. We know these two base angles of this isosceles triangle. We can calculate this too, right? And then with this polygon, quadrilateral, right? Polygon with 4 sides, which is a quadrilateral. Of course, we can find the sum of all those interior angles. So we can find this angle ADC, right? Because all the others we have already. Okay, so we can find x. Okay, if you can figure out the logic, then you can write it, or if you don't, just write what you have. In this case, we have AD is AE given, and then we know angle ADE is angle AED. Base angles isosceles triangle, and then two angle ADB plus 95 degrees give you 180 angle sum of triangle. So angle ADB give you 85 divided by 2, 42.5 degrees. So you can say this one is 42.5 degrees now. Then you can calculate angle ADC plus 95 plus 75 plus 115 is 180 times 4 minus 2. Angle sum of polygon. So angle ADC, which gives you 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 180 times 2 gives you 360 degrees minus 95 minus 75 minus 115. Remember, don't write it wrong and calculate using the calculator precisely. then this angle is 75 degrees. Then you have x now, which gives you 75 minus 42.5 degrees. That is 32.5 degrees. Okay. Question number 4. Again, BCD is equilateral triangle like this. And with a straight line CDE in front x and y. Okay. Which one is better? Easier to find? You will see. Why? Right, because this is a straight line. And we know all these angles 60 degrees. So y is easy to find. After you find y, then of course you can find x, right? Then because of this, sum of these 5 angles, yeah, must be 180 minus 180 times 5 minus 2. Okay, so we write BC, DC, DB different. You can find y first for no angle CDB is 60 degrees. Property of equilateral triangle, and y plus this 60 degrees must be 180 adjacent angles on straight line, because this one is a straight line. Okay, then we can find y is 120, because 180 minus 60 degrees gives you 120 degrees. So now x plus 107 plus y, that is 120, 115, 126, give you 180 minus times. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 5 minus 2. Remember, don't calculate wrong. Angle sum of polygon. So 5 minus 2 give you 3. 180 times 3 give you 540 degrees. Then x is 540 minus 107 minus 120, 115, and 126. Don't omit the degree sign. Give you 72. Okay, that's it.